What if we could turn pollution into power? Sound impossible, right? But scientists at the University of Cambridge have created something amazing, an artificial leaf that does exactly that. Just like a real leaf, this device uses sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. But instead of making food, it makes clean fuel. When sunlight hits the leaf, special materials called organic semiconductors capture that energy. Then, enzymes from bacteria use the energy to turn carbon dioxide into formate, a type of fuel that can power other chemical reactions. So basically, this leaf breathes in carbon dioxide and breathes out energy. The best part? It's non-toxic, durable, and completely solar-powered. No fossil fuels, no pollution, just pure, green chemistry. This invention could change everything for the chemical industry, one of the biggest sources of global carbon emissions. From plastics to medicines, nearly everything we use depends on chemicals made from fossil fuels. Now imagine a future where factories work like forests, capturing sunlight and carbon dioxide to make the things we need, while cleaning the air at the same time. That's the vision behind this artificial leaf. A world where technology doesn't harm nature, it learns from it.